Did you ever think how long can you deny a job? Let's find out, because I'm gonna be playing the job unemployed and I'm gonna be chased by a job application. So, how long can I survive? Disclaimer, you may not hear me as well because my headphones broke when I was trying to make this video right before it. Let's get into it. How long do you think I can survive the job application? I think maybe like 10 minutes. Yeah, probably because I'm gonna suck at it. So, did you ever think that you can just run away from it? I don't know, because my character does not want a job. Okay, let's run. It's gonna chase me! No, no, Kokoro. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me as well, but I'm sorry if it's bad quality for you. I promise I will get new headphones, and on my birthday, which is soon, I'm gonna get a PC so you will have better quality. And I have a great idea for the next video, but it's gonna take a lot of time, so that's why I can't film it yet. Did you ever notice there was a clock? I'm gonna see how much time, like what time is it in this game. How much time is it? It's 2 hours. Either way, I'm gonna just run. I'm gonna just run for it. Ah, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Okay. I'm sorry, I don't know really what to talk about, so I'm probably just going to yap about some random things and you might hear my body in the background. Yeah. Wait, is it behind me? Is it behind me? My character does not want a job. Oh, hell no. I don't want another job. No, no, no. Okay, I'm kind of cringy, so if you don't like cringy things, then you better scroll. Did you ever notice that in this game there's a lot of paperwork, even though it's an office? And why is it built like that? What? I got the jump scare. Ow! Jump scare. Okay, this room. Okay, I don't count how much time I'm going, but I'm in room 49 and the level of difficulty is 2. That should be good. You know what's so funny? I always die to these mans, like people who float here and try to grab you. Yeah, that's the biggest mistake I made. Going down, which game you want me to try next? Like 20, I survived 24 days, 20, 24,000 and 3,060. I think it's the IKEA game, and I don't really remember if it's called that, but like some of this. I wanted to make a video where I survive 3 hours in a job. Like I graded up with like 13 hours, but I just realized I have like 20 minutes till I have to be at the event, so yeah. And hope you like, that's gonna be helping me a lot. And if you want me to say something cringy in the next video, you can comment, because I'm cringe as. Okay, so I survived, and I don't remember. I really remember. And I got hired. I don't see another way out. Yay! I survived the lava. Yeah. Is that all? Bye.